Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to EZEBite Cooking. My today's recipe is very tasty, all full with the protein. So I'm going to use this is a chicken mince, chicken keema. It's a 500 gram, half kg. I got 2 cup, normal tea cup, coffee cup, 2 cup of peas, which might be 150 grams roughly. I go 1 cube of coriander and mint. I'll upload my recipe as well soon. I got 2 garlic and ginger cubes, and I got 5 green chilies. Then I got 500 gram, half kg of the new potatoes. You can use any potatoes available. And I go with 7 eggs, boiled eggs that took off the shells. But you can use more or less eggs, right? Depend how many you want. And let's start my recipe. Right. Now I'm going to turn on my saute and my pressure cooker. Give me 20 minutes. Use the onions. They already crispy fries onion, so it saved me at least 20 minutes on my cooking time. So I'm going to use roughly about 5 tablespoons. 1, 4, 5. If you're using fresh onions, you need about 200 to 250 grams of fresh onions. Half cup of sunflower oil. You can use any cooking oil, butter, ghee, whatever is available or whatever you feel like. Quick stir. These onions already cooked and fried. I don't need to cook too much, so I'm going to add half kg of chicken keema. Give it a quick stir. Now I'm going to add in the dry spices as a cinnamon stick, just a few small cinnamon sticks, 2 black cardamom, about 5 or 6 cloves, about just over half a teaspoon of coriander. Half teaspoon of crushed red chili, 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add more after, but use less than 2 or 2, and then if you need more, add more. 1 heap chili powder, red chili powder. 1 heap teaspoon of turmeric, black pepper. Half a teaspoon of dry coriander powder. A teaspoon of garam masala. 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi. Mix them up properly. Five tablespoons of yogurt. Give me a good stir. After adding everything, it took me 15 minutes altogether. So it's been cooking for the last 15 minutes. So there's 5 minutes left. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of water at a time. I'm going to give it at least another 20 minutes. A little bit of water at a time. Don't need too much water. You want to make sure just don't burn. I don't need much water. I just want to make sure you don't burn. So give it a good stir and cook for 20 20 minutes properly, because the first 15 minutes we were just adding things up. 2 cubes of garlic and ginger, of coriander and mint. 5 chilies, I'm going to break them from the middle. Really straight. Good straight. Here we go, guys. It's been 20 minutes. I've been keep adding a little bit of water at a time, make sure it don't stick underneath, and I've been keep stirring it for every now and again. It's 20 minutes now, so I'm going to add aloo, and mutton peas. Give them a good stir. Going to add tiny bit hot water. This is kettle hot water. Always use kettle hot water because it don't break the rhythm of the bubble. Only tiny bit. You don't need it too much. Just tiny bit water. And wait till it start bubbling. Okay. Here you go, guys. It start bubbling again. I'm going to give a good stir. Now I'm going to put a lid on, lock it, and lock the air. I'm going to keep on a saute for a few minutes because I want that silver thing comes up when its gas is full. It might take a couple of minutes. The silver thing is up already. It's only take a few seconds because it was enough heat in there. So I'm going to cancel the saute. Now I'm going to add the vegetable mod. Which one? Here. Here you go. So as soon time comes up, you take it roughly about 5 minutes. See you guys after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to release the gas. Silver thing goes down, so it's safe to open now. Bismillah. Oh, mashallah, beautiful. Cancel the chicken mod, so I'm going to put a saute, maybe a few more minutes. Mashallah, nice curry ready so far. So I'm going to give it roughly about 5 minutes. Mashallah, beautiful curry ready. Now I'm going to add eggs, the ande. Eggs already cooked, all I need just add in there. Stir them gently. And mashallah, beautiful curry ready. See you after I dish up. Here we go, guys. Mashallah, my beautiful chicken keema, peas, aloo and boiled egg curry ready. This curry is full with the protein and is spicy wise is mild, and about 5 to 6 serving. So is if you like hot, add more spicy. If you like mild, just to reduce the spices, like garam masala or crushed chili is optional. Like, you know, you can add less if you want. And please try my recipe and share it with your friends and family, and leave any comments, and like my video, share my video, and see you inshallah on my next recipe upload. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.